next question is, what is mudra? Yeah, what is the secret to mudra? So I know that people going using hands and
Right.
yeah.
Yeah, these are certain hand gestures that are part of the iconography of Tibet. So you have certain mudras that symbolize, renunciation. Where you have the alms bowl in the hands. You have the touching the earth gesture. Mudra really means a gesture, usually a hand gesture. So after the Buddha's enlightenment, the negative forces came and said, oh, who are you? Are you a god? Are you a demon? And the Buddha said, I am awake. And he touched the earth with his right hand, and there was an earthquake to confirm his attainment, right? So that's called touching the earth mudra or gesture. Then you have other gestures, the gesture of protection. You have a gesture of teaching. Many gestures that they use, especially in the Tibetan tradition, they use mudras to represent certain concepts. Like the mandala offering. You put your fingers together, and it's like the Mount Meru in the center, and all the offerings to the Buddhas and Bodhisattvas around. So many hundreds of different mudras, symbolizing different qualities and certain attainments.
Sounds like it takes years and years to learn many of them, huh?
Yes, that's right.
Wonderful.